Hey everyone! Okay, I'm getting ready for work and I have a new phone. I just bought it yesterday. I'm so excited to give it a try. The camera is way better than my old phone, so yeah, I decided to buy a new phone because I need another one for my work because I need to have two separate phones, one for work and one for personal life. I don't know why I'm looking here. The camera is here. I'm sorry, still like getting used to it, so the camera is in here. Okay. Hi. So I just wanted to give it a try to see. This is the phone camera, and I see it's way better than my other phone. The other one is Oppo 8. This is my humble Modoro, by the way. So this one is Oppo A94. I wanted to buy 98, but actually I found another one with the same price, but the camera is way better, so I decided to give it a try to get it and to see because the front camera is way better than my old phone, and the back camera is very high. So I wanted to give it a try as a front camera first, and I can see it pick up the lighting very good. I don't have enough lighting right now. I just have my two light above on my vanity, and I have a window here with a natural lighting. Still, still not used to it, so that's why I'm looking all around, trying to figure out where is the camera. Still getting used to it. So okay, so I hope the voice is like way better in recording. If it's not, I can use another. Like I have another mic, I can use it. But if it works nicely, I can do like an everyday kind of makeup because I was away from my channel for a long time because like my home was a mess. I'm trying to figure out. As I told you, my home is way smaller than my old one. I'm still trying to fit everything. I'm just going through all of my stuff, like clothes stuff and everything, to see what I'm using right now to keep and what I'm not using from a while, or the clothes that it's old or not fitting me anymore, or anything like I'm not gonna wear or anything I'm not gonna use again. Just give it away. So it takes a little bit more time than I expected, but actually, I did everything. I have my setup finally from a couple of days. I have my computer, my setup, my everything. And I have my vanity room or my closet room. I have my wardrobe, as you can see in the background, and I have my vanity here and my bed on the other room because we are like the rooms are very small. I have only two rooms. So for a single life and for me alone, I can fit in. But yeah, wish me luck to work nice and have a lot of work, so I have a lot of money, so I have a big account. So yeah, that's what I'm like focusing on right now. So as you can see, I'm not having anything on my face. Actually, I don't have any foundation or anything, just like my natural skin. But I have a little bit of blush. I use the Shein Love Cake on my cheeks and a little bit of my nose, not too much. And I have a little bit of mascara and just like glowing eyeshadow to wake up my eyes a little bit, and nothing on my eyebrows because I feel my eyebrows look beautiful without anything on them. It takes a little bit more time every day to do my eyebrows, so it's nice. So I leave my hair a little bit longer than I usually do to not do my eyebrows every day when I go to work. And I have a mascara and of course my lens. It's the Urban Layer Syra Green. I have a review for this one, and a little bit of powder and nothing else. A little bit of concealer, of course. Just underneath my eye, not too much, just a little bit to brighten up this area a bit, so you can see it. Just it blending in very nicely. It's in the same skin tone on my skin, so it looks natural and like blend in with my skin. And what I'm gonna use right now, it's my first time to use this one. It's the vinyl. I said it wrong in my last video. It's the vinyl Maybelline vinyl ink Super Stay. I love these beautiful babes. I really love them. I love Super Stay from Maybelline so much, but these like they are the bomb. So I'm gonna use a 95 Captivated. It's my first time to use it, so let's give it a try. My lips a little bit dry, but anyway, You need to shake it before you use it. That's why I was shaking it. So, yeah. Oh my god, it's so light. It's way lighter than the packaging. No, no, I can use it with this. Okay, it's too light. Too light for this look. Too light will make me so much like pale. I don't wanna know. Okay, go with. Let me see. Okay, I am now like using no, which is so much dark. Maybe I will use lippy. Okay, with this one. Okay, this one is like so light. I'm gonna use lippy. I used it before and I really love it. So it will go nice and give a little bit of color to my face because I don't have a lot of color on. Okay. And darker than I expected. Again, I'm gonna blend them together. I have a weird lip shape, as you can see. I have a really weird lip shape. But I love it, to be honest. I'm not into lip injection, all these stuff. I don't like them. Okay, it's a little bit darker than I wanted, but anyway, still good. And I love it. Yeah, my lips looks weird with this color because it just went down a little bit from the side, but it's okay. I love my lip shape. I told you I don't like lip injection. I didn't try them before, never. Maybe one day when I grow old, really old, maybe I will try this kind of a face injection, but for now, no, I don't think I'm gonna do them anywhere near. So, um, yeah, actually, it's really good with this look and match my hair color right now. I need to dye my hair color because it become way lighter than um I thought it will be because I dye my hair like a very dark burgundy and I thought I will keep the color but it become lighter every day and actually it began to stop bleeding. So I guess this is the color that my hair picked up from the dye. And as you can see, I have a nice hair, like a virgin hair, brown hair, like coming from my roots. So I'm gonna do another Gativa treatment. I have this video from a while on my channel. I didn't launch it yet. Actually should be from a while, but I began to pick up my stuff and all these like moving things. If you, I guess you like used to moving and it's really hard, especially if you are completely alone. It's a lot of work, a lot of time consuming, a lot of being tired, changing everything. Like moving cities is a completely different thing. So I have this video from a while. Everything is like about to be launched soon, I promise. So um from a couple of days, the treatment should be like completely gone from my hair and I feel it's completely gone. So I need to redo that treatment again before dyeing my hair again and it's Eid soon, so we have feast and like all this stuff. So I need to like dye my hair and do it with Diva treatment first. Just like have a like a fresh start again. So yeah, I really love like the final look. Okay, I'm really good at work. So I'm gonna see you soon, guys, and I hope this phone is way better than my old one. So I'm gonna make this one for my work YouTube and my personal things, and the other one would be for my work. And like it's a lot of work to like take everything from my other phone to this one. Hopefully, it will be easy. So yeah, I love you so much, guys, and I really hope you like the picture in the voice, the sound, and everything. And if you hear the fan, just like in the background, because it's hot here, and I'm really good at work. So I'm gonna see you soon, guys, and I love you so much and miss you so much, and I'm gonna be here soon. I promise. I just like doing everything like putting myself and putting my life together again. Because I feel like for a while it was just like all over the place. So I'm sorry if I'm away from a while, and I promise I'll be here soon. And wish me luck in my new job, wish me luck in my new life, because I'm still scared. So it's about like feeling the fear and do it anyway. So I did that. I jumped from the cliff, and I don't know where it's gonna go. So wish me luck, guys. I love you so much. Bye.